Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Real quick, when I say live, what I mean is I'm recording myself right now in real time, seeing information, seeing the data for the very first time. In other words, I don't know what's coming next. So to respect your time, if you are looking for a video where the person's got hindsight in their favor and they're doing a trade recap or something like that, this won't be a video for you. But if you are open to the idea of an unscripted nitty-gritty look into what it's like to be a day trader and how day trading can play out, then I'm confident you will find value in this video. So I will pause the recording software for now, and I'll be back at market open. I have an order at 1370 here for some puts, so this needs to come up a bit more. I'm trading options. If you're not familiar with what options are, let me know in the comment section and I'll link you to a free class that I put together. It's like 20 minutes long, called The Big Basics of Options. So like I said, again, let me know in the comment section. And I'll send you a link to that so you can get a little bit more familiar with what's going on here. Okay, I'm at 1310 now. Hope that's what I wanted. Did not get filled. Let's go to 1250 now. Got those. Going to adjust. I am in loss control mode now. Out there for a $40 loss. So that did not go, clearly did not go like I thought it would. So went into, let me just adjust real quick. So I will try again. So starting down, just a minute, I do want to get alert made here that I'm seeing. What is that, 85? Yeah, this one thing wants to come up to that pink line. I would be interested again. Like about 18. So try to pick up some puts up there at 18. Maybe about 1770. There is a bit of a guessing game that goes on with all this. So I will go ahead and pause for now, and we'll see if this thing can come up and fill me at 1770. All right, I'm at 1770. So getting close to potentially getting filled, but needs to come up a bit more. Over here, you're looking at the 1 minute time frame. This whole trade is based on the 5 minute time frame. Try 1750 now instead. You know what? I think if it shoots up through there, it's going to go fast. So I'm at 1710. I will keep a close eye on it. And if it looks like I'm going to get filled, I'll get the recording started. Have an order at 19. That's more like 1850 should probably be. Just one contract at 1850, so this needs to come up a bit more. I'll go ahead and pause. Okay, coming up, maybe. I'm at 1850. All right, I will pause. Have an order at 1850 still. All right, I'm going to go ahead and adjust this back to what I was originally thinking because it's looking like this could be some sort of breakout here. So we'll see if this thing can come up to, looking for now just what would be a breakout and then retest of that level. So step one in that process obviously needs to be, it's got to get a breakout of it, and it's trying right now. So we'll see if it can push up through there. Okay, there we go. Needs to come up more though. I'm at 1670 for these puts. All right, I will pause, but I'll keep an eye on it. Okay, I have an order at 1350 here. Let's try 1310. I'm trying to, yeah, down around that level. So we'll see if this wants to pull back a bit more. All right, I'll pause. Okay, I have an order at 1910. I'll go ahead and pause. Okay, looking like maybe here. Getting close. Oh, okay, once again, got to change. 1870. Oh, once again, just hovering right there. All right, I'll pause. Have an order at 1570. In, out for $60, and just like that, that trade lasted, I don't know, a second and a half, and I am back to being green, which I understand, very anticlimactic trade, but that's why risk management matters. Cut the losses, keep them small, and then you need very anticlimactic trades, and not only can you wipe away the losses, but you can get yourself back into the green, and that's just what you witnessed there. Very anticlimactic, very basic trade. Again, lasted all of, I don't know, 1.5 seconds. I do have an order at 1470 though. Let's actually now go down to 1420. Try to play some more calls. But there we go, back into the green. I will pause, I'll keep an eye on it. Have an order at 1250 here. So it needs to come up a bit more. Trying to play puts. I'll pause, but I'll keep a close eye on it. Have an order at 1710. In. And had to just take a $20 gain. I'm struggling today with these entry points. Now that one I didn't need to go into loss control mode or anything like that, but I did need to concede the fact. Now granted, in hindsight, maybe I would have been okay, and yes, I would have been okay. But that's just hindsight trading for you. That's why we're all really good traders in our hindsight account. But in the heat of the moment, when you don't know what's coming next, you got to make decisions, and you got to make decisions quick. And I decided to err on the side of caution, but not even, like I said, not even needing to break even, let alone take a loss like it. Now the first one, I still played that one very well because I think that one would have definitely just completely gotten worse and worse and worse. But yeah, if anything, hopefully this shows that, within a trade strategy, it's not like you have to absolutely get a pristine entry point in order to still make money, because that was not a pristine entry point. Once again, because I know, been doing this for over 10 years now, so I know somebody in the comment section will be like, well, it would have been fine. And it's like, well, yes, but again, you're operating under you're not wrong, but you are operating under the context of hindsight. But in the heat of the moment, that did not seem like a good entry point, or as good as I thought it would be. So therefore, just had to concede and just go for, you know, what ended up being a $20 win. So, all right. But yeah, I'm struggling. There's basically I'm 1 for 3 in the sense of like good quality entry points. Because that one was beautiful, 60 seconds and like a second and a half. So that entry point was fantastic. But yeah, that one was not so good either. I will pause. So yeah, a morning of struggles right now. Maybe that'll be the title of this video. But who knows? Maybe I all of a sudden just go on a hot streak. So that could change the title from struggles to hot streak. Who knows what's going to happen next, but I will pause. Have an order at 1770, and I'm in. And out again. What in the world? Is it me or is it just market conditions? I don't know at this point. This has been a struggle. Now I got a question. Can I get my composure? Because you can probably hear it in my voice. I am frustrated, no doubt about it. Then yeah, in hindsight, I'm watching, and would I have been okay? Looks like I would. Yes, I would have been okay. But it's just, I cannot quite get those movements. They go too far against me. Again, not to the point where I need to wave the white flag and say, okay, lost control mode. But I do need to do it in a sense of, all right, let's try to reassess and not even go for break even, but I'm going to have to go for a smaller win here. And again, that's what I had to do. Well, yeah, I don't know. I think it's just me. I don't see anything weird about the spreads or anything like that. I just can't quite get these nailed down to where I want them to be. So I'll probably step away for a while. As I said, you can hear it in my voice. I'm definitely frustrated by things. So I don't want this frustration to bleed into my trading decisions. But all right, I will pause. Okay, I have an order at 1940 in. Out, quick $100 there in, I don't know, what was that, about 5 seconds? I'll take it. So there we go, finally got an entry point. Been on a cold streak here, as you've seen. Let's see if I can get another one here. We'll start over again at 1610. Throw the order out there and we'll see if it wants to come down. But there we go, a nice little $100 bill in a few seconds. I will pause. Have an order at 1670 in there. Just a single contract. And out for another quick little $50. In hindsight, should have done 2. That would have been $100. But I wanted to err a little bit more on the side of caution. But if it comes down some more, I am interested and willing to go up bigger in size at 1510. So I'll throw that order out there right now. So 1510 if it wants to come down some more. Somewhat of a guess because there is that guessing game of what the price of the option is going to be when the price of SPY is at a certain level. So I don't mean guess in the sense of that's just some sort of random order I'm throwing out there. Just trying to figure out where the price might be at a certain level, but as it bounces now, I'll just cancel out and never mind. So there you go, another trade there. So okay, I'm on a little streak here. 2 in a row, very anticlimactic. Got the entry points right where I needed them to be. And just like that, up over $200 now. Have an order at 1970 with some pretty crazy action right now. Oh, now it's bouncing. I'll keep a close eye on it though. Have an order at 1710. And I got the snap down that I wanted. So you saw that play out, but and I think I was on best bid, but I did not get filled. So I'll look to play another potential snap to the downside like that. Again, if you scroll back and unpause, you'll see that I was over here, best bid, but just because your best bid doesn't mean you get filled. So had the right idea, but wasn't good enough to actually get filled and then potentially have a very quick scalp. But I'll try again down at the 1510 mark. Again, super far away from where the price is right now. But with this crazy action right now, looking for just a quick move down. Have an order at 1170. I'll go ahead and pause. Okay, I have an order at 1750. In. Out for another $100 scalp there. Very good. Did I hit record? I did hit record. Okay, I will be looking for another potential move if this wants to keep coming up. Next one at 1410. So let me throw that out there right now just in case there's another bigger move. And I will go ahead and pause. So very good entry point there. Very anticlimactic, which is what I'm looking for. And now up 310. I will pause. All right, I'm going to go ahead and call things good. So yeah, definitely a bad start, but I would say, excuse me, a good finish. And maybe that'll be the title. Earlier on, I didn't really know what the title would be. And yeah, I'll call this somewhat of a good little streak there. I mean, final trades went off not quite as clean as they could have, but still nonetheless profitable trade. So yeah, definitely a bad start. Struggled on the start. So bad start. Good finish, and I'll take it. So that's all I have. If you enjoy these live trade videos, hit that like button, leave a comment below. And like I said at the beginning, if you don't really understand options and you want to at least gain a better insight into what's going on, then like I said, just leave a comment and I will link you to that free class that I offer. It's like 20 minutes long. That'll go over what I call the big basics of options trading. So like I said, just comment below and I'd be happy to link you to that. So everybody, thanks for watching. Take care. Have a good one. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.